Desi by my arm reach, Palm Beach, Poland Spring. Gang green is the army.
Calmly walking to the courtroom, head high. I don't know that part.
Let me sit down.
Yeah, shout out to Poland Springs though.
Niggas don't really believe in this shit no more. It's like everything was. That shit gonna fly over these niggas' heads.
It's the wavy crocodile dishes. I'm the waviest one in the game, man. About to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. So you already know by the title of the vid what I done copped, you know what I'm saying? Happy All-Star weekend or whatever. Damn, no, I won't be in Charlotte, but I'm looking on the bright side. I do wish I was in Charlotte. I ain't even gonna front. Shout out to Molly Mall. I saw you down there. And shout out to everybody else that's down there. Salute. Wish I could have made it, but due to my work schedule, actually I do get off on Monday, but I don't believe in returning somewhere and then going to work the next day.
This monkey ass ain't worked a hard day in his life.
I know my homeboy told me, welcome to the real world, but I don't know, maybe soon, but nah, I just couldn't do it. And then I knew for a fact that I wouldn't be able to pick up these turbo ones, and then tomorrow when the 6s came out, well, how am I gonna get them?
Oh, is that what you're doing now? Go around feeling sorry for yourself, boy?
Nah, I'm not taking that gamble, so it's all good, you know what I'm saying? I ain't wanna go nowhere. Nah, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I do wish I was down there. Hell yeah, I know it's about to be lit. But anyway, man, F all that, you already know what this video is about. It's about the Jordan 1 Turbo Green joints. Told y'all I wanted them, told y'all I was trying to cop them. Quick backstory on these. I went through the Foot Locker app. There's always a story. Anyway, I went through the Foot Locker app. So yesterday, Foot Locker hit me up with that, "Ooh, you were so close." Word.
No, sir.
They had me on the wait list, so I was tight, boy. You know what I'm saying? I went to the gym and did not 1, not 2, but 3 exercises in and out of that bitch like a robbery. I was pretty tight, man. But they ended up, for some reason, I look back on it, it's like, yo, you got them. I was like, with it. So it was all good. I was really gonna be tight, you know what I'm saying? Checking out everybody with they joints in hand. But when it comes to them on feet, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna be on a vendetta. It's gonna be something mean, you know what I'm saying? Word. But anyway, man, been sipping on a lot of water lately, you know? But anyway, let's get that out of here. So, went to Foot Locker the day after work and picked up the Jordan 1 Turbo Greens. They right here. Damn sure hope that worked. You like how I do that, right? Damn sure hope that worked, because I can't do it again. So anyway, man, pick these joints up at the Foot Locker House of Hoops on Fordham Road. Shout out to Fordham, man. Y'all hold me down a lot. Matter of fact, I hit on the Jordan 6s too. Let me know if y'all hit on them joints. I got them, slated for Fordham Road too. So if you're at Fordham Road when I'm there, probably don't know when I'm gonna be there, holla at me. But anyway, yo, I'm still trying to double up on them joints. Yo, these joints retailed at $160, but with that military discount. Shout out to all the vets, past, present, and future.
You're disrespecting.
Even him. I paid $139.36, so under retail, word. Anyway, boom. Got your standard Nike box right here. Yeah, size 10, Air Jordan 1 Retro. High OG, I'm gonna let y'all read the numbers.
They can hardly read.
My bad. Anyway, so regular box right here. I did take a quick peek, but nothing crazy. Okay, I didn't even see all the SP and all that stuff. So boom, here they go, our first looks. Let me check them out. All right, so nah, they are what I thought they were. I like these. This is a nice vintage look right here. Check them out. I've seen a lot of people say that they don't know what they would rock with this, but first thoughts, I say like right now, like in the wintertime, well, not that it's too cold wherever you're at. Jean jacket, light joint, that'd be nice. But I got my heart set on some Charlotte Hornets jersey though. I ain't gonna front. But anyway, man, this ain't a what would I rock, but I do like these, man. And a lot of people they was like waiting for 6 o'clock to hit so they could try to get these. Even though I heard a lot of people say they wasn't gonna cop them, I knew something was wrong when they told me I was waiting in line or waitlisted. I was like, damn, I thought y'all said y'all wasn't gonna cop. But anyway, man, let me get into this damn review, man. This is straight, boy. They straight right here. I ain't gonna lie. Hell yeah. I love this look. But anyway, first up, we're gonna take it to the sole like we always do. Got your classic Jordan 1 outsole. It's gray. Nike Air in the swoosh in the middle of the sole. Take it to the medial side. Damn. Welcome to the BX. All right, maybe, okay, cool. We're gonna take it to the medial side. All right. Try this again. We're gonna take it to the medial side. To me, the midsole is like a off-whitish cream sail. I don't know what the hell I'm saying, but yeah, that's what it is. I don't know if the light can pick it up properly, but yeah, that's what it definitely is. So you got your turbo green suede on the upper. Feels like suede after it's been sitting in the rain for a while. It's not like that smooth suede. It's real rough. So on that mid-side panel, whatever you call it, you got your tumble leather. Yeah, it's definitely tumble. You got your Nike swoosh in that turbo green colorway. You take it to the lateral side. Midsole, we can call it that sailish cream, whatever. You got your turbo green suede upper with your tumble leather. SB19 Air Jordan 1 High OG lettering. And we're gonna take it to the toe box, white toe box, perforated holes. Let me take out the shoe tree before I be like, nah, it ain't that soft. All right, let's see. I ain't gonna say it's butter cookies, but got a little tumble right there. Nylon tongue leading up to the tag with the Nike Air lettering in, I wanna say like in a yellowish gold lettering with the purple Nike swoosh. Take it to the ash, word. Turbo green suede right here. Got your white tumble leather to break up the monotony. Back to the suede, then leading up to the top of the heel. Off-white cream right there. Got your patented Air Jordan wing logo in white. All right, take it to the inside. Am I gonna rip this joint out? Sounds like a no 30 to me. Inside the sneak, you got your turbo green insole with your Nike Air lettering and the swoosh in white. Oh yeah, the laces. I always forget about the laces. That's very important. You come with 3 laces. First lace, the stock lace is white. You got some purple laces. Jumpman in black on the lace bag. And you got that turbo green lace right here. Turbo green lace is gonna be a no 30 for me. I'm thinking about rocking the purple laces, but when I do this on foot, top 5 best on foot, that one, I'm just gonna have the stock joints in because I don't feel like doing all that. But anyway, if I do cop the Charlotte Hornets jersey, probably not if, I probably will. I'm gonna throw in the purple laces just to see if it you know, how I can make it pop. Jesus Christ! Do me a favor. I know I forgot to say this at the beginning of the video. Give me 400 likes on this vid.
What?
Oh shit, this is what I just noticed too.
Do tell.
The inside of the tongue, it's kind of got that off-white type thing going on with the tongue. That's pretty cool too. Okay, I didn't even realize that. That's what's up. I mean, I see what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? Off-white's for everybody. Barely, but yeah. So anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Like I said, yo, hit me off for 400 likes, please. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? We still out here grinding. I'm trying to get to 16.5, because you already know that's too high. Stay tuned for the On Foot. Trying to find best on foot.
Nigga, why do you keep on saying this?
In your heart, you know I'm right.
Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. The next vid coming up, I'm gonna do that, the Jordan 6s. I'm gonna pick them joints up tomorrow, the infrared joints with the Nike Air on the back. You already know, man, I'm hyped for these joints, man. My favorite Jordan of all time, man. I don't care, but yeah, man, I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. We're gonna do that on foot. Shout out to the Wave Mom. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me. I appreciate it. You already know, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be? But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this my channel, Mr. At Your Beats, like I always like to say. See you when I see you. Ow.
Sneaker freak, keep up with feet fashion. They keep asking, how is the shine lasting? I'm too ahead of my time to be a has-been.
100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. Yes, I do. You ain't got to turn the lights on. No, you don't. You exquisite, great, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. On top of the world, that's what I'm feeling like. On top of your girl, I got a screaming die. One time for them faces, bees who keep the loudest of the loudest, and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans. Wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get damn, please keep your feet in the sand. Hold me P Dice with the man. Need must I say it again? Hold me P Dice with the man. They look outside and I scram. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. You I turn the lights on. You exquisite, great, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K, that's a bad week. Got me feeling like a athlete. That nigga dice rolling. Look how my ice frozen. She fried my hair like Malcolm X. This shit looks white, don't it? Don't get your wife stolen. That pussy like Poland. These niggas change soon as they see checks. That shit is quite bogus. Now me, oh, I'm nothing like them. I pop out that coupe and like them.
I am top 5 dead or alive.